What's up, y'all? It's your boy. Boy. And today we finna be unboxing my new, what address at? Oh, my new phone. Y'all, it's been a struggle with me getting this phone. I'm finna just throw the clips in right now. I was waiting almost 2 days. Here the clips. Y'all got no shoes on. Alright. I'm trying to look for this FedEx box, FedEx truck. Cause I need my phone. And I'm supposed to be sending it. I don't know what time, I just know it's today. And if we miss it, it's over. So basically day 2 of me trying to like get my phone. It's Sunday. I usually don't run on Sunday, but I got a notification that it will be here between 8:30 to 12:30. And it's currently 11:12. And yes, I'm coming just to out the window. You know what? It's fine. We all got in the shower this morning. It's a little stressful. Like, if y'all know the stuff I did yesterday, I'm over here running back and forth from outside, watching the doorbell camera 24/7. I fell asleep with the doorbell camera on my iPad. It's just a lot. I did a lot. So, when this phone gets here, we're gonna unbox it. Yeah. It's not very cold either. I don't like my skin, guys. But it's cute. It's tiny. Guess I'm waiting downstairs for my phone. I am. I'm kind of looking out the window, you know, like, where's the phone at? It's kind of like 12:30. It's supposed to be like until 12:50. Well, between 10, or no, it wasn't 8. Between 8 and 12:50. So it's like 12:30. So where's the FedEx truck? Basically, it's 12:53. Get outside. I refresh the app. It's not gonna be to the end of the day. Why is y'all playing? Give me my phone. Give me my phone, cause I still have to activate it. Like, don't piss me off. Well, this is a good little angle. Yeah, I'm just bored. Wait, where's my phone at? Like, where's my phone? Yeah, y'all, it was supposed to come Saturday. I'm watching the camera. I'm doing all this. I'm doing all that. Bro. Oh, we're not sure when your order's gonna come. I was like, what y'all mean? So then, I woke up this morning at 10. It said 8 through 12. Okay, cool. 12:30, 12:50 hit. That's what the time was supposed to be there. It says, oh, we'll be there by tonight. I'm like, so my job was supposed to go to the store this morning. So I was waiting on my phone. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go to the store. My mom comes, she's like, your phone at the door. I was like, hallelujah. But y'all, I got the iPhone 17. And people was asking me why I got the 17 because the 18 gonna come out. But I honestly feel like that's just not a waste of money. But it's very ugly, you know? I don't like how that looks. And y'all, right now I have the iPhone 14. I'm gonna keep this one still. This one is on. So I'm gonna keep that one. Alright, y'all. What phone y'all got? I'm just playing. Oh, this just to activate the phone. Please scan your device to set up. Because we're going to scan that later. But, okay, y'all, the thing is, when I first got this phone, I ordered it on the order. It said my mom old email, her old phone number. So it was like, we didn't have no way to track the phone. So we had to call them, cancel the phone, rebuy it. And the thing is, when they rebought it, they gave me the wrong, what's it called, storage or whatever. I wanted I think 1500. Was it? I don't know. I think it was like, I don't know. But we about to open it. My apologies, guys. I had to do a thumbnail, you know. Okay, but I'm so excited. Like, I've been waiting for so long. The 15 Pro Max. And I ordered the case and everything for it. I got the case the day I ordered. What's that? I got the case the day I ordered the phone, so. Wait, can y'all see my? Oh. God, y'all, I ain't had a new phone about it in a while. My sister just got the same phone and the same. This looks so saucy. Like, look at the phone, y'all. This is so fire. This is fire. And I got this one, so I was gonna get like navy blue, but all right. So in the box, it come with a little charger. I can't wait to, you know, come with a little charger. What else it come with? It don't. This it. Y'all remember the old iPhones like used to come with stickers, you know, like on all that. But yo, we about to put the case on now because I ain't risking nothing for real, for real. I believe it's a privacy screen protector. Oh, I got white. Yep, it's privacy. I love that. All right, y'all, let me. I can see the back up, but that is fire. Oh my god, I'm so happy to get another phone, bro. So okay, so I was thinking about making one of these phones like content, you know, like content wise, but I don't even know, bro. I don't even know to make it content or not. All right, y'all, so I got one of these camera things. Cause I'm telling you, I'm not taking no chances. I got this phone at least like 3 times after when I first got it. I got this phone 3 more times because I didn't broke it. I had to pay $100 and get another one and another. It was just a lot. So I'm not taking no chance. You see, there's no case on there. All right, so let's put this on there. It's awesome. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna put the screen protector on too. Wait, is it? Okay. Y'all, all this came the same day. I had ordered. Oh, this is nice. What kind of screen protector is this? Y'all, I just be buying stuff on Amazon. Like, I don't know. It just said clear iPhone 17 Pro Max case, and I just got it. Okay. Gotta make sure this is. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, y'all just don't know. How can I get the air bubbles out? I put that on nice. Don't mind them. All right, y'all. So we finna. Let me. Okay, United States of America. You heard? Okay, let me get my other phone. So it says, why it's not popping up? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yo, I'm too excited. I'm too excited. Which one bigger? I think this one's bigger. It is. And y'all, this one got the button, and then this button. This is so fire. I just never thought in life I'll be, not having the money. I just, okay, let me not go that deep. When I seen this phone, I really thought it was really ugly. I thought it was ugly, but that was the orange. I don't like the orange. I don't, I don't know. But when I seen this phone, okay, so the plan was my sister was getting this phone. That was a long story. She didn't buy two iPhones and all that. That was a long story. But you know what? I wanted to get this one too. So I'm like, okay. Apple was tripping. They wouldn't let me get my phone without the person of the account being there. So I just had to order it, not from Apple, but But I ended up getting a whole new number on this phone. This phone has my old number, so and I will be paying for this bill. So the phone is not cheap, y'all. 1 hour. You gonna have to download from the cloud. They said 1 hour to um transfer everything, but it's gonna be on my everything is on my iPad, my MacBook, my all that's the same. So see, that's the right passcode. Ooh, wrong passcode. My bad, y'all. But I'm on my iPad, so it's kind of like the camera kind of wide, but it's cool, y'all. And I actually pray, like I'm praying that I get like a camera next month for my birthday or something like that. So, cause I don't know if y'all watched. I don't know if I said it. I think I did say it. But I'm going to this HBCU trip with my school. They're flying us out. The school's flying us out. We're going to Atlanta and I believe Alabama. Just to tour some HBCUs. You know, and I'm a junior, so it's very I hope this don't take that long. Cause I could have I don't need nothing on the phone for real. But yeah, that is. I was just so proud of myself when I got accepted. Like I was just so freaking proud when I got accepted. It was just like dang, like I really. Basically, what we had to do, we had to type a. We had to find, or we had to type reasons like a 250. What was it? 240. I don't know. Okay, y'all. So I get on the bus. I have a clipper card on that phone. So if I transfer the clipper card on this phone, will it get off that phone? It can be on this phone. Y'all, I'm acting like they both not gonna be on. Like, All right, y'all. I'm at this part where you custom the little button. I think I'm gonna just keep it as silent because they got, okay, so look, they got the silent mode. Ooh, do not disturb. The photos. I think this is a scanner thing, flashlight, the voice thing, to like search up music, translate, and I don't know what that is. I'm gonna just keep it at silent mode, cause y'all, and it's so tough. Like I like the white. Like, I love the white. Okay. Alright, so I'm updating. It's updating right now. But y'all, it was just a struggle. It was a struggle to get this. It was a struggle to get this phone. It was a struggle a lot. I was very stressed out. But, you know, you gotta keep your head up, keep praying, you know. Because I'm actually gonna use this charger. It looks nice. I'm putting this in my backpack, actually. That's what I'm gonna do. Put this in my backpack. Because my phone be dying at school. Yo, I then left, came back, left again. Went to go put some noodles on the eye for the macaroni. Apple about to blow me because this phone would never take this long. Apple, what's going on? But y'all, I ain't never had a phone like with this charger. Like, this is a short charger though. I'm bringing my long charger to school because that's just too long. Yo, I'll be back again after years later. It's currently 4:12. The phone is active. I wanted to get all that set up before I came back on the camera. It was just a lot going on. I had to cook. I was burning. It was a lot, okay? It was a lot. It was a lot. But we're finna change the lock screen. But y'all, this is my new phone. Y'all, so this is my light screen also on this phone. It's me, my dad, my baby brother. So I low-key might just do what's on my iPhone. What's on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy Floyd, Too Loyal, is out. See y'all next video. Love y'all.